Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Envy 4520 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties and wait for a few seconds, and in properties scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a Google Chrome or any web browser, in a search type HP Envy 4520 printer driver and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. And HP printer official website is open. Here we find our printer name and here we find our operating system and bit. If operating system is not right or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. In operating system, select Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit machine. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. My machine is 64-bit, so I select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on update and this page goes to refresh, or this box goes to refresh. After that, scroll down and here find many options. Go to the here driver product installation software or basic drivers. Go to the driver product installation software or basic drivers, and here we find our basic drivers, or in sometimes it show driver product installation software and full drivers. Okay, in my case it show only the basic drivers and we are going to use these basic drivers also. Expand it, click on this download button, click on download, and it's redirect you to the another web page, and it takes few minutes to download our printer drivers on our PC or laptop. Here we find download started. It's completed now. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers. This setup file is actually a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on OK, and it's unzip our file or extract our files on our desktop. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find newly created file folder, double click on it, and here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers. Close it. Next step is go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds, and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. In existing port, we find here port, click at here, and if you find port name .4_001 HP printer device, HP or HP printer, if you find any HP port, then select that. If you not find any HP port, then last option is USB. Select any USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Click on the Havadics. Click on Havadics. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder. Double click on it. And here we find some files. All file contains same network. Select any file that you want. Select any file and click on the open. Click on the OK. And here we find HP Envy 4520 series. It is a series printer. Select that printer and click on the next. Here we find name. Give any name that you like. You can give any name that you like. I go with the same name, or HP Envy 4520. Give any name that you like and click on next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for few seconds. After that, if you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, wait for a few seconds, and in this list, in printer list, if you find your printer name HP NV 4520, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.